Compliments are an essential part of human interaction. They can strengthen bonds, build trust, and even spark attraction. But some compliments go beyond the ordinary. They touch the core of a woman's psyche in ways that make her feel deeply seen and appreciated. In today's video, we're going to uncover the top 3 forbidden compliments that can make a woman truly drool over you. These compliments, when said the right way, tap into deep psychological triggers that are incredibly powerful. Let's dive in. 1. You're not like other women. At first glance, this compliment might seem simple, but it's more than just flattery. It's a deep acknowledgement of her uniqueness. Women are constantly compared to one another in society. So, when you say, "You're not like other women," you're acknowledging that she stands out in a way that is special and irreplaceable. But here's the key. It's not just about the words. It's the tone and timing that make it irresistible. When said with sincerity and a slight smile, this compliment shows her that you see her for who she truly is, someone who stands apart from the crowd. You're telling her that her individuality is what makes her unforgettable, and that is something every woman craves to hear. It's the kind of compliment that goes beyond physical beauty. It taps into her deeper qualities, such as her intelligence, her spirit, and her personality. You're essentially telling her that she's not just another woman. She's someone you genuinely value, and that recognition will make her heart race. 2. I can see the strength in you. Women are often expected to be strong in all aspects of life, emotionally, professionally, and personally. And yet, there's a vulnerability to this strength that isn't always acknowledged. When you compliment a woman by saying, "I can see the strength in you," you're recognizing the quiet resilience she carries, the emotional depth that may not always be visible on the surface. This compliment goes straight to her core. It shows you see beyond the exterior and recognize the battles she's fought, the struggles she's overcome, and the inner power she possesses. You're acknowledging that her strength is not just physical or emotional. It's part of what makes her who she is. The beauty of this compliment lies in the fact that it's not about showing off her appearance. It's about recognizing the quieter, more meaningful aspects of her personality. This is something that many women feel goes unnoticed, but when you say it, it shows her that you appreciate the full spectrum of her being. This can make her feel both respected and deeply admired. 3. You make me want to be a better man. This one is powerful, vulnerable, and highly effective. Saying, "You make me want to be a better man," is an expression of both emotional honesty and deep admiration. It shows that her presence in your life challenges you to improve, to grow, and to become the best version of yourself. Why does this compliment work so well? It appeals to her sense of influence and importance. Women love knowing they have the power to inspire, motivate, and make a lasting impact on someone's life. When you tell her that she makes you want to be a better man, you're not only complimenting her, you're showing her that she elevates you in ways no one else does. This is a deeply personal compliment that touches on the emotional side of attraction. It makes her feel valued, cherished, and important in ways that superficial compliments simply can't match. And the best part? It's not about her physical appearance. It's about her character, her energy, and the way she shapes the world around her. Now, you might be wondering, what is it about these compliments that make them so powerful? The key lies in the fact that they speak to different facets of a woman's identity, her uniqueness, her strength, and her influence. These compliments don't just make her feel good in the moment. They make her feel seen, heard, and deeply respected. In a world where women are often conditioned to feel like their worth is based on their appearance or societal expectations, these compliments validate deeper, more meaningful parts of who she is. They show that you value her as a whole person, not just for how she looks, but for what she represents and the energy she brings to your life. But remember, it's not just about saying the words, it's about saying them in a way that is authentic, with sincerity and genuine intent. The power of these compliments comes from the energy behind them. If you speak them from the heart, they will resonate deeply with her. Compliments are a tool for deepening attraction, but when done right, they can build a bond that transcends the physical. By acknowledging the uniqueness, strength, and influence of a woman, you're creating a deeper connection that goes beyond the surface. These compliments are powerful because they speak to the soul. They show her that you recognize the full depth of who she is. So, the next time you find yourself wanting to make a woman feel truly special, consider these 3 powerful compliments. Use them with authenticity and watch how they unlock a connection unlike anything you've experienced before. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay strong, stay classy, and always be in control.